You're doing a great job, Joe.
Pretty awful. The aviary is a half a mile away. Sounds like we've got two more coming from the aviary coming on in right now. There we go. Yeah, they flew half a mile to come in and join us, which is pretty incredible. We've got lots of Jimmy stuff to say thank you for that. Now, we had some interrupting going on. Did anybody hear this scream that was going on when he first landed? A couple of you guys heard it. You might give us another scream later. So these are two green-winged macaws showcasing, believe it or not even as loud as they can, but the #1 challenge and complaint we've heard it from people who have parrots in their homes as pets. These are beautiful and incredible animals, but they are some of the most challenging to have in your home. That scream, #1 complaint. They also live for a really long time, and their beaks are incredibly destructive. I don't know if you guys have caught good sight of them yet, especially these green-winged macaws over here, but their beaks are very strong, made so they can rip open seeds, nuts. They can even rip through tree bark out in the wild to create nesting cabins for themselves. It is so cool to think about. So say you had a bird like Bernadette or Hawking here in your home. What do you guys think they would chew on if they chewed on all that stuff out of the wild?
Whatever they wanted to.
Whatever they wanted to. Yes, that is the perfect answer. Yes, yes, yes. So Jake has a piece of wood right here. We'll see how long Bernadette takes to show you just how strong that beak can be. Because it is true. Anything, if they're loose in your home that they find, they will chew apart. Can you guys hear that right now? You hear how quickly she's destroying that? So this is a very natural behavior. They chew on things all the time to wear their beaks down because much like our hair and our fingernails, they're constantly growing. So you have to always think about that as another really, really big challenge about having a parrot in the home is this could be, you know, the leg of your favorite furniture. We had a woman tell us about her parrot ripping through her drywall. It's no joke. So for those reasons, we recommend you enjoy them, but do so at places like Animal Kingdom, where you can see them flying around like this and they won't put destruction down in your home that way too. Because unfortunately too, despite all of those reasons I just told you, what makes them being challenging as pets in the home, they're still being taken out of the wild illegally. Especially these two blue-throated macaws. They are members of the most endangered species out in the wild today. Fewer than 200 individuals are left out in Bolivia. That's it, fewer than 200. Now the good news is people did start taking notice and started taking action. We wanted to help too. So we actually partnered up with the World Parrot Trust. We are breeding blue-throated macaws through a blue throat rehabilitation program who've never been out in the wild themselves. Those offspring from those will go down to Bolivia when they're ready to go. Actually joined up from some from the UK as well. Hopefully one day make some cute little blue-throated babies of their own. Drive those numbers up so that these are the sights that we get to see. Wow, hi guys, good job! Hi Colton, good job guys. So that is one of the biggest reasons we love being able to be a part of that conservation effort that we are helping with, because we want to preserve sites like that for generations to come out in Central and South America. So if you guys want to learn more about that project we are a part of, or about the World Parrot Trust in general, just go to their website, super easy to remember, parrots.org, parrots.org. Now for one more time today, these birds are going to be flying the half a mile back on home. So get your cameras up and ready to go. I highly recommend if you have video mode or slow-mo on your phone, it'll be some of the coolest video you guys get all day. Because I have to tell you, when these birds take flight, it is truly an incredible sight. There we go. I love it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. We hope you enjoyed Winged Encounters with us this afternoon. Thank you very much. Thank you. Now, since this was the last time we were going to have birds out flying, you have more opportunities to see birds. If you follow the flock over Asia Bridge, take a left. The caravan stage is where you can see Flights of Wonder. It's an incredible free-flighted bird show. 3:30 and 4:30 are their last show times today, so definitely go check them out. If you have questions for us, please let us know. Otherwise, thank you guys again. Have a wonderful day. Here's